How to fix slow charging problem on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix slow charging problem on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll head over to our settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, there you should find battery. So tap on battery and now you're on your battery settings. After you're here, there you'll find an option called battery health and charging. So what you'll need to do is tap on battery health and charging. After you tap on it, there you should see an option called optimized battery charging. So what you'll have to do is you'll simply have to turn it on. So as you can see, mine is already turned on. So turn this on. What this does is that this reduces your battery aging. After this, what you can do is you can head back to your normal settings. So let's head back to our settings, and now what you'll need to do is scroll down till you find general. Tap on general, and on your general head over to software update and then update your software. Now if sometimes if you're using the old software, what can happen is it can be more not battery optimized, so it can have more consumption rate, which will take up more of your charge, and ultimately it will lead to slow charging problem on your iPhone. So you can do that and then head back. So the last thing that I want you guys to do is make sure that the chargers you're using and the adapters that you're using is original. Now duplicate and any other charges that you use can affect a lot in your battery charging rate. Sometimes the charger can be a fast charging one, but it can still damage your batteries and ultimately lead to slow charging problem on your iPhone. So make sure that you have the correct charger and adapter, and after that you're basically good to go. And that's how you fix slow charging problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and